Some poets will be harder to find in the library's databases. Try Google Scholar, scholar.google.com, to look for those poets. When you get there, first set up your search. Go to the 3 bars on the left-hand side, and if you're off campus, you can go to the settings and select library links. You can type in Los Rios Colleges or Cosumnes River College and automatically connect to anything that we own in our databases through the full text. Save your settings and go back to your search. Try searching your poet's name. You may want to put your poet's name in quotation marks so it searches their name in a phrase or the first and last name together. You may want to add the word poet or poetry or even the title of the poem that you're profiling. You're going to get a list of search results. In some cases, these will be citations for books. Some of them will be articles that you can read. Some of them will link to maybe a profile or other web page. The full text links will be over here on the right-hand side. If it says Los Rios full text, you should be able to sign in with your WID and password and get into the full article to read. In some cases, you might come across something that doesn't have full text. And if you run into any paywalls where you are asked to pay for access to the article, contact the CRC library and see if we can get you a copy of the article through our interlibrary loan services. This has been a quick overview of searching for literary criticism on Google Scholar.